Hi, welcome to the channel. If it's danger you're after, we've got that. If it's shiny restorations, we've got that. If it's just a clean, got that too. Ridiculously overpriced eBay wins, got that as well. And of course the odd Visor 17. Today's show is a re-upload of these Footprint 222 tin snips, because I end up having a problem. I mean, the handles ain't too bad, but I end up having a problem with the pivot pin breaking as I try to undo it. So this shows you how to fix a pivot pin. First of all, we'll take it over to the wire wheel and just give it a quick clean, just to see what these are going to come up like and to see what the blades are like. Now we're about to find out what happens when a 60-year-old bolt's been peened over and it snaps. Look at that. Snapped and the nuts come off. At least they've come apart quickly. There's a bonus. Right, well, being an optimist, it's time to move on and get all the paint off the handles, clean these blades up lovely, get them back to bare metal and see where we go from there. This paint actually flies off the handles. It's been on there so long it's waiting to come off. Look at this. Now, this is the original broken pivot pin. I'm drilling a 3mm hole in this, and now I'm going to put some cutting compound over that drilled 3mm hole, and then I'm going to stick a tap in it and put some threads into it. That looks like it's going to do the job. Well, they got a quick visit to the spray booth. The original yellow paint goes back on. What a bugger of a colour to work with that is. You just keep spraying and spraying and spraying. This yellow doesn't want to cover anything. Anyway, masking tape's coming off, and we'll put these back together and see what they look like. Now this could be a good time to mention the link underneath to buy me a coffee. Buy me a coffee, people. I need coffee. No, actually I need cider. No, I need coffee. No, I need to pay for that bloody conservatory I've built and run into my overdraft. Anyway, there is a Buy Me a Rusty Tool link down below for that new site, Buy Me a Coffee. Not going to go on about it, but buy me a coffee. Now that's all back together, you'd never know, would you? Better than new. Good as new, nearly new. 222 10" by Footprint. Here's the broken bolt, look, because someone had peened that end over. Ah well. And we'll just do a very quick before and a transition to after. Lovely job. Don't forget, like it, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Comments are very important. And if you want, buy me a coffee, which will equate to some sort of rusty tool. Buy me a coffee, I buy a tool, I give you a shout out. Okay, bye for now.